very much for this golden opportunity for me to speak about how to love Indonesia. Firstly, we are as Indonesian people usually do a lot of things to show our love for our country, Indonesia. For example, today, like we all, most of us who have got suffrage, age of vote, come to the voting place to show
Election day, right?
election day to show the love for country and
sure.
give vote for give vote in the election place, in the electoral voting place, and then vote for someone that we want to choose. So we want to elect, and then this is one of the way that we can show our love for our country. And the second is we must use the product of our country instead of buying products from other countries, like we can buy from traditional sellers or traders instead of buying from people who open a lot of markets that is not just or not justifiable or fair to open market in